So children, yesterday we had started with the cell division, that is mitosis, and mitosis is further divided into yesterday's class we had already seen that mitosis gets completed into these two stages, interphase and M-phase, and this interphase is further divided into G1, S and G2 phase, and M phase is divided into prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase, and this all is karyokinesis, and after that the cytokinesis or cell division of the cytoplasm also takes place. So we had completed interphase yesterday. Today we are starting with the M phase. Okay. M phase of the mitotic or equational division comprising of these following stages, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So what happens in the prophase, actually I am going to explain you here on this board. Ki suppose this is a cell, and in this cell this nucleus is there which is bounded by nuclear membrane, and as we have already discussed, suppose we are taking up 2 chromosomes only, or we can take here the only 2 we are taking excuse me. So in S phase, these 2 chromosomes DNA has replicated and double the DNA has formed, but these 2 sister chromatids are still attached with the centromere. So DNA has become double, but the chromosome are still 2 with the 2 chromatids. तो ये स्टेज के साथ था ये S phase में. After the G2 phase and S phase, now the cell will enter into the prophase. Now it will enter into the this was there in the S phase. ठीक है, ये इंटरफेज था. Now it has entered into the M phase. अब M phase का जो फर्स्ट फेज है that is prophase. तो in prophase what happens, first of all this nuclear membrane will start disappearing. एक चीज. दूसरी चीज इसमें ये होगा कि कंडेंसेशन ऑफ दिस क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल. तो क्रोमेटिन मटेरियल विल गेट कंडेंस्ड, मतलब वो थोड़ा शॉर्ट और थिक हो जाएगा. इट विल गेट कंडेंस्ड. ओके. और सेल ऑर्गेनिल्स जो हैं दे विल स्टार्ट डिसअपियरिंग. तो दैट मीन्स कि इन प्रोफेज द all those cell organelle, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, nucleolus and nucleolar envelope, these will not appear. They will not not be seen under the microscope in the prophase stage. Okay. So this is one thing, that what happens in the prophase. Disappearance of the nuclear membrane, chromosome will start condensing, they will form, here they were intervened, they were forming the network, but now they will start condensing, nuclear membrane start disappearing, cell organelle will also disappear. और अगर एनिमल सेल है तो हियर द सेंट्रियोल वॉज देयर, तो दिस सेंट्रियोल विल स्टार्ट मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द अपोजिट पोल्स, और अपोजिट पोल्स पर जाकर स्पिंडल फाइबर्स विल स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग. ये प्रोफेज में हो गया. नाउ इन द मेटाफेज, इसकी नेक्स्ट स्टेज आएगी. आई विल बी शोइंग यू इन द बुक ऑल्सो. पहले आप इसको ऐसे समझो. नाउ इन द मेटाफेज. अब मेटाफेज में क्या होगा कि दीज क्रोमोसोम विल बिकम शॉर्टेस्ट एंड थिकेस्ट. बिल्कुल छोटे हो जाएंगे वो और कंडेंस्ड हो जाएंगे, एंड दे विल बी विजिबल अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप. इफ समबडी आस्क यू कि इन विच स्टेज क्रोमोसोम विल बी मोस्ट विजिबल, तो दैट इज मेटाफेज ओनली. इसकी स्टडी करनी है तो मेटाफेज में की जाती है, क्योंकि हियर दे आर मोस्ट कंडेंस्ड, मोस्ट शॉर्ट एंड द थिक chromosomes are visible under the microscope. They will arrange themselves on the equator. ये सेल का इक्वेटर कहलाता है. This is called as equator and these are called as poles. तो ये जो centriole था which has started moving in the prophase now has reached to the poles. ये poles पर पहुंच गया है, and from this spindle the स्पिंडल फ्रॉम दिस सेंट्रियोल द स्पिंडल फाइबर्स आर ऑल्सो फॉर्म्ड. ये स्पिंडल फाइबर्स बन चुके हैं. Now these spindle fibers will attach to the kinetochore. The word kinetochore we had already discussed that along with this centromere some disc-like structures are there which are called as kinetochore. So one side it is attached to the centriole and other side it is attached to the kinetochore. What? Spindle fiber. So these are what? These are spindle fibers. No need of labeling them, but I am labeling for you people. And this is what it is, centriole, which has divided and reached to the poles. And this is what it is, kinetochore, by which these spindle fibers are attached. And these are what? These are poles. This is again pole and this line is called as equator. तो मेटाफेज के अंदर ये हो गया, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन completely disappear हो गया, cell organelle not appearing, chromosome condensed, shortest arranged themselves on equator, spindle fibers have formed and spindle fibers are attached to the kinetochore. अब इसके बाद की जो स्टेज आती है, that stage is called as एनाफेज. अब आपको अपना टारगेट पता होना चाहिए कि हमें एक सेल से 2 सेल बनानी है. तो इन दिस कंडीशन इन एनाफेज व्हाट हैपन्स एक्चुअली कि ड्यू टू द स्पिंडल फॉर्मेशन द सेंट्रोमियर विल नाउ ब्रेक. यहाँ से ये स्पिंडल फाइबर्स इस क्रोमेटिड से अटैच्ड हैं, वो इस यहाँ से अटैच्ड करना है, वो इस क्रोमेटिड से अटैच्ड हैं, यहाँ पर इस काइनेटोकोर इस क्रोमेटिड से ये पोल से स्पिंडल फाइबर्स अटैच्ड हैं. तो नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस वी कैन से दिस इज अर्ली एनाफेज. तो in early anaphase this centromere will break and in the late anaphase what will happen कि these chromosome will separate, sorry chromosome नहीं chromatids, these chromatids will separate this way, this is middle anaphase and in the लेटर एनाफेज व्हाट विल हैपन. इसके बाद में इसकी हम थर्ड स्टेज बनाए तो फर्स्ट सेकंड एंड थर्ड स्टेज में कि क्रोमोसोम विल गेट दिस क्रोमेटिड्स विल नाउ सेपरेटेड एंड नाउ दे आर कॉल्ड एज क्रोमोसोम. अभी तक जब तक ये जुड़े हुए हैं अटैच टू ईच अदर इट इज कॉल्ड एज क्रोमेटिड्स, but once they have got separated due to the breakdown of centromere they are called as chromosomes and now chromosome have got separated and now they are reaching to the poles. ये late anaphase हो गया. This is late anaphase. Okay, anaphase. Now the next stage is what? पेज में इसी में दिखाती हूँ. Next stage is telophase and in telophase what will happen? These chromosome will exactly reach to the poles both of them. अब आपके पास में you had taken here 2 chromosomes and now here 2 chromosome 4 have become. तो न्यूक्लियस यहाँ पर डिवाइड हो गया है. ठीक है, एक न्यूक्लियस के 2 न्यूक्लियस बन गए हैं क्योंकि यहाँ 2 क्रोमोसोम इधर और 2 इधर आ गए. तो 2 chromosome has reached to the poles and at both the poles the nuclear membrane will be formed. So the 2 nucleus are formed at each pole, in each cell and at different poles. एक ही सेल में 2 न्यूक्लियस आ गए हैं with 2 क्रोमोसोम. तो माइटोसिस हैज कंप्लीटेड हियर दैट द इक्वेशनल डिवीजन इन विच द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम रिमेन्स द सेम. तो ये दोनों 2 क्रोमोसोम आ गए. तो कैरियोकाइनेसिस इज कंप्लीटेड, नॉट माइटोसिस बट कैरियोकाइनेसिस. नाउ द साइटोकाइनेसिस विल टेक प्लेस इफ इट इज अ एनिमल सेल. तो एनिमल सेल में तो this we are here discussing the animal cell only क्योंकि हमने centriole लिया है. तो that way the furrow formation takes place. One nucleus is here, one is here, both of them are having 2 chromosomes. तो furrow formation will now proceed more and ultimately what will happen, the 2 cells will be formed with one nucleus having 2 chromosome and now these cells will be separated separately and both the cell will be formed the now considered as the daughter cell. So this way the one cell has now converted into the 2 daughter cell after passing through this cell cycle. Okay, so this is the stages of mitosis are there. Okay, now I am showing you all these stages in the book itself. Look at here in the prophase, they have shown the chromosomal material which was intervened. Now that chromosomal, you will go through the book, you will understand. I am not reading each and every line. So chromosomal material will get condensed and the spindle fibers will start forming, and these spindle fibers are actually made up of protein only. These cell organelle will disappear in the end of the prophase. This is the diagram of the early prophase in which this chromatin material is started condensing, and this is late prophase in which this nuclear membrane is approximately getting broken down and it is started disappearing, and these chromatin material has got condensed little and now they are called as chromosome. Okay, now it comes the metaphase. In metaphase, the chromosome has totally got condensed, they become thickest and shortest, and now the spindle fibers have formed, centriole has reached to the poles, chromosome have arranged themselves on the equator, and now this stage in this cell organelles have completely disappeared, nuclear membrane has disappeared. So this is called as metaphase. This is late metaphase एंड दिस इज ट्रांजिशनल मेटाफेज, जिसमें वो इक्वेटर की तरफ अप्रोच कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पूरी तरह से इक्वेटर पर अरेंज हो गए. ये पोल्स पर सेंट्रियोल है, ये स्पिंडल्स बन चुके हैं जो काइनेटोकोर से अटैच्ड हो गए. सो दिस इज मेटाफेज एंड इट इज रिटन हियर, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड दैट. नाउ इट इज कमिंग हियर एनाफेज कि दीज सेंट्रोमियर now it will split here and these two chromatids which are present in each chromosome will get separate from each other, and now this from one centriole, these four chromatids now will be called as chromosome, are moving towards one pole, and these four chromosomes are, इस book में 4 chromosome लेके चले, हमने उस discussion में 2 लिए थे. No problem, you can take any number. So these 4 chromosome are now reached here at one pole and these 4 have reached at one pole. Now in nuclear membrane will reappear in the telophase. The chromosome clusters at opposite spindle pore and nuclear membrane will envelope will reappear and other cell organelle will again reform here. Okay, ये कैरियोकाइनेसिस कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ साइटोकाइनेसिस इज एक्सप्लेन्ड हियर. अगर एनिमल सेल है तो फरो फॉर्मेशन होगा, बट इफ प्लांट सेल इज देयर इन द नोट्स, आई हैव नॉट एक्सप्लेन्ड यू अबाउट प्लांट सेल, हियर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग कि हियर द सेल वॉल फॉर्मेशन विल बी देयर from the center to the outer side, from to the peripheral side. So this is where the cell wall will be formed. After that it is called as middle lamella. जब सेल पूरी बन जाती है तो this is one cell, this is other cell, और उसके बीच में now it is called as middle lamella. It will be turn up to the middle lamella. अब इसमें एक न्यूक्लियस है, इसमें एक न्यूक्लियस है. This way the one cell has now divided into 2 cells. Each of them are having the 4 chromosome. Okay, बुक में 4 लेके चले हैं. You can see here that 1 2 3 4 chromosome with 2 sister chromatids were there. Okay, so separation of chromatids has formed the 4 chromosome. Cytokinesis is completed. Now it is here coming the significance of mitosis. As I told you in the starting of the video or in the previously in the that this mitosis is actually yesterday's class. It is required for the growth. It is required for reproduction. It is required for the replacement of the dead cell. ठीक है ना. It is once the cell has got, suppose your skin cell are getting replaced always by the newer cell or young cell. Okay, and in your lining of the gut, if your blood cells are dead, then new cells are every day forms in our body. So that way this is required for the formation of new cell, for the repair of the body, for the growth, for the reproduction. This is the significance of mitosis. And in plants, the meristematic tissue also undergoing mitosis to form new cell in the lateral meristem and the apical meristem and at intercalary meristem results into the formation, into the increase in the length of the plant and the diameter of the plant. This is all about the mitosis. Tomorrow we will see meiosis. Thank you.